Lesson 6. More on paint. In this lesson, 1. Identification of the commands in the Home tab. 2. Making freehand drawing. 3. Erasing the drawing. 4. Opening a new drawing. 5. Magnification of drawing. 6. Saving drawing. 7. Opening a saved drawing. 8. Closing paint. In class 1, you have learned how to make a simple drawing in paint using the commands in the Home tab on the ribbon. Home tab. Till now, you have learned about the use of line, rectangle, oval and fill with color. Let us recall the command in Tools, Shapes and Color group and learn some new commands. Tools group: eraser, pencil, fill with color, brushes, magnifier. Colors group: shapes group, line, oval, rectangle. You can use pencil for drawing or writing anything with a freehand movement. Eraser is meant for erasing any part of a picture or text. Brushes contain different kinds of brushes. Using these brushes, you can draw with a freehand movement. To see a drawing in a large size magnifier is used. Drawing a picture. Now let us learn to make a beautiful picture with a flag and sun. To make the drawing, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click Home tab. Step 2. Click Rectangle from the Shapes group. Step 3. Drag and draw a rectangle as shown. Step 4. Draw two lines within the rectangle to divide it equally. Step 5. Click the oval from Shapes group. Draw two circles as shown. Step 6. Draw pole and stairs as shown using rectangle and line tools from Shapes group. Also draw lines on sun. Step 7. Click Pencil from Tools group. Step 8. Drag and draw the rope of the flags as shown. Step 9. Choose Fill with Color from Tools group. Choose the color to be filled from the Colors group and color the flag and sun. Step 10. Click Brushes from Tools group. You see different types of brushes. Step 11. Choose Crayon brush. Step 12. Choose brown color and color the pole of the flag as shown. Step 13. Now again click the brushes from Tools group and choose Airbrush. Step 14. Choose green color. Spray color by clicking at various places as shown to draw grass below the flag. Your beautiful picture is ready. Useful tips. There should not be any gap in the outline of the picture while you use fill with color. If it happens, then the color spills out of the picture. Do you know? When different tools or shapes are selected, the shape of the mouse pointer changes. For example, pencil pointer looks like this and fill with color pointer looks like this. Magnifying a picture. You can see small lines or images in a large format after magnifying them. Follow the given steps to magnify an image. Step 1. Click the magnifier from the Tools group. The shape of the pointer changes and a rectangular box appears. Step 2. Click the part of the picture that you want to see in larger size. To see the original picture again, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the magnifier from the Tools group. Step 2. To make it come back to its normal size, right-click at any part of the picture. Practice time. Draw the picture of a hut and a flower as shown. Guidelines. Step 1. Click rectangle from the shapes group and draw rectangle. Step 2. Click the line from shapes group. Draw the lines as shown. Step 3. Draw the door and windows as shown using rectangle or line. Step 4. Draw a circle to make ventilator as shown using oval from shapes group. Step 5. Click pencil from Tools group and draw the flowers as shown. Step 6. Click fill with color from Tools group and fill inside the hut and the flowers as shown. Step 7. Click brushes and choose crayon brush. Click size button and choose any size for the thickness of the brush. Choose color of your choice. Step 8. Drag to fill the crayon color inside the hut and flower. Step 9. Click magnifier and enlarge the image. Step 10. Click airbrush from brushes in the Tools group. Now click at various places below the hut to make grass. Use of eraser. To erase any part of your drawing in Paint, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click Eraser in the Tools group on the ribbon. Step 2. Click that part of the drawing you want to erase and move the eraser drag to clear the part of the drawing. Opening a new drawing. Whenever you want to draw a new picture, you need a new drawing area in Paint. Follow the given steps to open a new drawing area. Step 1. Click the Paint button. A menu appears. Step 2. Click the new option. Your new drawing area in Paint is ready for use. Saving your drawing. To store the drawing work that you have made in your computer is called saving. To save a file in Paint, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the Paint button. A menu appears. Step 2. Click the Save option. A new window called Dialog Box appears. Step 3. Now type the name that you want to give to your work in the file name box. Step 4. Click the Save button. You have saved your work in a file in the computer. Opening a saved drawing. Let us now learn how to open a saved Paint file. Follow the given steps to open a saved work or file. Step 1. Click the Paint button. Step 2. Click the Open option. On clicking, the Open dialog box appears. Step 3. Select the file you want to open. Step 4. Click the Open button. Closing Paint. To close Paint, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the Paint button. Step 2. Click on Exit option. Quick step. Paint program can be closed by clicking on the close button at the top right corner of the paint window. Quick recap. Simple drawing can be made using the commands in the Home tab on the ribbon. Pencil can be used for drawing or writing anything with a free hand movement. Eraser is meant for erasing any part of a picture or text. Brushes contain different types of brushes to draw with a free hand movement. Magnifier is used to see a drawing in a larger size. Magnified image can be seen in the normal size by right-clicking at any part of the picture. To open a new drawing area in Paint, first click the Paint button, then click the new option in the menu that appears. Words to remember. Pencil, a tool in a paint to draw or write anything with a free hand movement. Eraser, a tool in paint to erase some text or picture. Magnifier, a tool in paint to magnify the drawn image. Brushes, a set of different brushes to draw with a free hand movement.